Hello, today I'm going to share with you how I achieve this look. If you want to know how, just keep on watching. So, I already moisturized my face and now I'm just applying concealer all over, and I'm going to use this wedge sponge to blend it all in. Moving on to the eyebrows, I am just taking this eyebrow pen from Elf and I'm just filling my eyebrows in, not caring if it's even or not. I just do whatever. For blush, I am using this cloud paint from Glossier in this shade Dawn. And right after, I'm just curling my lashes. Then I'm going to use this press powder from MAC, and I'm in the shade NC20. I use this to set all the liquid products or cream products that I've put in my face. Finally, I'm just using this mist to set everything that I've put in my face. And there you go. This is my go-to makeup look. Oh, and before I forgot, the contact lens that I'm currently wearing is actually from TTDEYE. This contact lens is called Polar Lights Brown. And if you want to see the other colored lenses that I bought from them, just keep on watching. So this is what their package looks like. I actually bought 3 lenses. I got the Polar Lights Brown, the Mystery Red, and the Snowflake Black. So I'm just showing you this one box because they basically all look the same. First, this is the Polar Lights Brown, and this is what I'm wearing in this video. I have very dark brown eyes, so they kind of look green, little green in my eyes. And this is the Snowflakes Black. And the Mystery Red. What you'll see in the coming clips was actually my first time wearing contact lenses, so excuse my eyes if they look sore, or bear with me if I just blink too much, but this is just what it looks like in my eyes. If you ever want to try their products out, TTDEYE was kind enough to share with us 10% discount if you use my code cham, or if you just click the link in the description box. That is all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. See you on the next one.